Hi, my name's Stu and welcome to another drone video on Flying Wiener. We are at a very classical castle today. It's from the 11th century, it's Burg Seebenstein. It's rather high up. If you're wondering why the castle is not right behind me, it's actually quite a steep way. We've got the baby stroller with us, so it's not really an ideal pathway to walk. Keep that in mind. I'll show you various images of it anyway, but we just stopped here sort of midway and there was enough free space around in the trees here, enough of a clearing so I could just start the drone. So I hope you enjoy. It's a really fabulous looking castle, like I say, very classical. It is great to film actually with a drone because it's only open at the weekends, so during the week like it is now, you're really undisturbed while doing this. I hope you enjoy the shots. Okay, we're done now. Saw this on the way up, thought it'd be a cool location to film. Trying out things, trying to make it a bit more interesting. I hope you appreciate it, but let me know down below what you thought of this video. A really great castle. Unfortunately, because we were so low down, it wasn't so easy to maintain the connection to the drone. I tried my best. I hope it all turned out well, and I hope you liked. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. I would appreciate that very much, and I'll see you in the next video on Flying Wiener. Take care, bye.